Hello again, friends and fellow collectors. So what I have in this video is going to be my answer to Mr. Rat Black's show your land yacht, or long live land yachts, however you want to pronounce it. So I guess we'll go ahead and we're going to show this car right here. This is an old 51 Merc. Go ahead and turn this on here. That's definitely a big old land yacht for sure. Back in the day, the old lead sleds. So that's definitely a land yacht in my opinion. And we got this GTO 65 GTO. That was a land yacht. That was a big car, sweet car, but a big car for sure. Then we've got this is just says Johnny Lighting. I think this is an old Packard. That would be a land yacht for sure. And let's see, oh, here's one of my favorite castings. This is the Chrysler 300C. Big old land yacht. Here's another variation of it. Definitely land yachts. My favorite land yacht. We got this station wagon. That's a land yacht. I believe this is a Caprice. 73, yeah, 73 Caprice station wagon. Then we got the old 58 Impala. Those cars were land yachts. Then we got a Lincoln Continental 1964. Then another Chrysler 300C. And then we got this Chrysler 300. I believe this was a D. I believe those are big old boats. So that is what I'm showing right now for my loose stuff, and I'm gonna actually pick the camera up and show some carded land yachts that I have in the collection. So we're gonna just come right up and go right over here. So we have got the Royal Dodge Lancer and the Dodge Custom Royal Lancer, some land yachts, another 58 Impala, a 57 Chevy Nomad, definitely both the 59 Caddies. Those were big old boats, and of course a couple more Chrysler 300s. And then we have the green light, the 73 Cadillac Sedan DeVille, the 72 Eldorado Coupe DeVille, the 73 Coupe DeVille, the 87 Caprice, and the 89 Caprice Classic. So those are the land yachts that I have carded. Oh, and a couple 58 Impalas over here as well, and a couple more Chrysler 300Cs right there. So hope you guys all enjoyed my video and like the answer to my challenge. Thank you, James Rat Black, for doing the challenge and putting it out there. Very cool challenge, absolutely fun. Forgot about those, as they call them, land yachts. Always like land yachts. Like I said, I'm sure I got a ton more in my collection, but that's what I have for right now. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Everybody's having a great weekend. We'll catch you in the next one.